no. It's on right on the
Okay. 241.
Yeah.
Dispatcher says, what's keeping you guys up? No. Hey, well, we got men.
They finished those burritos?
He's still eating on here.
A big old dust storm up ahead.
A break. They keep on following me back and forth, side to side.
They had a good long nap, though. They give you a break. That was good.
Yeah. Don't come back over here.
Oh, we've gotten into a dust storm here.
Want your cover back? Want your cover? What may it be? Yeah, like it's so made. Put it on the white pipe.
We're gonna be traveling in the storm tonight.
Looks like we're going through one. That's why people get really much. But go right back over the top. Right. Yeah, that one, the little clip thing on it is broken. It doesn't snap in there. Sometimes it comes loose. Well, you know, after you called, I went and counted my money. I was like, boy, I could go get a treat right now. Treat. I'd go buy you a treat, but I don't know how I'd get it to you before tomorrow.
Really?
So it's the it'll be a little lighter.
That's really cool. Oh, dang, I don't know if it changed at all. Did it change?
I got tiramisu order, apple pie order. I'm on the wrong thing.
You look very
Like, I can't do this. I was south something, but I was southeast.
There's a forecast bar.
Real fast that, there's a right. And this does like monochrome and all kinds of California started horses.
That was lightning! I just saw lightning. I didn't tell my mom. If I didn't know she was tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I am inviting the 7 o'clock dinner reservations to the dining car. If you're holding a 7 o'clock dinner reservation, please come to the dining car at this time. 7 o'clock dinner reservations, please come to the dining car. Also, ladies and gentlemen, I'm making an announcement for the 7:30.
Hey, do you have any games for that? Yeah. Where? What? Why? Because I was running against a 2-player. You can play with this one. That's a Teenage Mutant Ninja DSi? Yeah. Holy crap, that's the same color. Alright, hang on, I'll be right back.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, if you're holding a 7:30 dinner reservation, I would suggest that you stay on board because all the reservations are time sensitive. That means I'll be calling you as close to the time as possible. If there is a delay, that means it's delaying every other reservation afterwards. And I will remind you that I am going on mountain time. If your clock or if your cell phone has changed to Central Time, I am working off of mountain time, so that's 1 hour behind. So at this time, I have made the call for 7 o'clock, and I will ask everyone who has a 7:30 to please be aware, and I will try to call your 7:30 dinner reservations as close to 7:30 as possible. If you miss your time by being on the ground, I will have to reaccommodate you, and unfortunately, all the times are after 9 o'clock.
We trying to see you guys don't lose each other on enemies. We left where? Oh, we're in Alpine. You can go sit at the table with me?
Yeah.
We left El Paso, right? Yeah, we
Are you over there?
We're Alpine.
Do you have your charger?